In our quest to try as many cuisines from around the globe, today we decided to try Armenian food. The greater Chicago area is home to an estimated 10,000 Armenians with a significant presence in the suburbs. The community has roots dating back to the late 19th century, and we read the Armenian All Saints Church in Glenview serves as a central hub for the community. Coincidentally, it's where we found our next spot, Siunik, focused on simple, high-quality grilled meats cooked over an open flame for authentic flavor. Owner Levan Kirakosian left Armenia with a bachelor's in finance to enroll in divinity school in the United States. He led a church congregation for a few years, but was also known for his master grilling skills. As the pleas to open his own restaurant became more frequent, Levin saw an opportunity to open a spot that offers healthy, more affordable choices in the area.
Again, you open that beautifulness.
All right. Ah, look at that. That is an amazing plate. All right, well, we've been wanting to try Armenian food for quite a long time, and we found a place up here in Glenview. It's called Siunik, and luckily enough, they have a combo plate. It has a little bit of everything that they have on the menu. So you can pick up to 3 proteins. We got the lulu kebab, which is seasoned ground beef, pork, and steak. And the other option would be chicken. So it comes on a bed of pilaf. We opted for the mushroom pilaf, or you can get regular pilaf. Let me just dig in. One of my favorite things is the seasoned ground beef kebab. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. There you go. Get a good look at it. That's magnificent. This is why these kebabs are one of my favorite things to eat. I'd say right now it's like one of my top favorite foods. Ground beef is really nicely seasoned. You can taste the spices in there. Not too salty, but it's fantastic. Very tender, very tender. So let's go with the pork next. I mean, it has a nice look to it. It might not be as juicy, but as long as it tastes good, right? So here we go. Slightly tender too, like it's not tough or anything like that. Wow, it has a nice grill flavor to it. I like that.
That's a pretty big plate. How much is this plate?
This is, I believe it's like $18.95, so $19. We got this to share, mainly because it's a combo plate and we wanted to try a little bit of everything without having to get 2 plates. So I'm gonna dig into the steak. I want to try the mushroom pilaf. That's.
I know that's why you're waiting for
Yeah, I'm actually trying to wait. There you go. Yep. Steak is also very nice. It's not super tender, but has good flavor to it.
really good.
Here we go. Big chunks of mushrooms. There we go. Let's give that a try. It's nice. It has some of the mushroom flavor in it. It's not too strong, right? You need to have mushrooms in it, but it's good. I really, really like it. It kind of reminds me of kind of like a couscous. Like, check it out.
Yeah. All right, steak. It's actually pretty tender. From the look of it, I thought it was gonna be more tougher, but it's good. I'm dropping rice everywhere. I actually like the mushroom one better.
So you get bread. I forgot what this bread is called. I really like it, especially like dipping it in the side, one of the sides that you can get. Right, we opted for baba ganoush. You can pick hummus, but we opted for baba ganoush. Dip it. That's good baba ganoush. I'm gonna try Nico's pilaf. Like they cooked it in broth. That's good. Let's try these potatoes, like herby potatoes. So these aren't like super crispy. They're like boiled, like parboiled, I think. That's good. I like it. Nico did not like these, but I like them.
I don't know. I think we liked it, guys.
Yeah, I think so.
This was breakfast, lunch, and dinner because I'm not eating. Nico wants some cake, so
Let's see what we got there.
there were 2 options. There was like, this looks super homemade by the way. It's like baklava then this is, I believe it's honey cake. Alright. Let's see if he likes it. Or is it good? Is it good? Tell the guys, is it good?
Is it thumbs up?
Is it thumbs up? Like this. Yay!
Thumbs up!
Well, it's very light. And not as sweet as I was expecting it.
Oh yeah, that's very soft.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
It does have kind of like a roasted honey flavor. Wow, that's really good. I like the cream. I really do like it. Don't mind the hair. It looks terrible. I'm gonna get a haircut soon. Just not yet. Anyway, welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessional, the Armenian edition. So we were in the mood for like kebabs, something that's kind of like light, not too heavy or anything like that. So we found Siunik. I think that's how. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Definitely correct me if I'm wrong. It was nice. It's a nice, small, cozy place. Their menu isn't like super huge or anything like that. Quite a few items. Again, you can get the different plates with the different proteins, but we opted for the combo, right? So you can pick up to 3 proteins, you get about 2 pieces of each, and then you can pick the different pilaf rices. Overall, very good. I mean, I really like that kind of food. I believe Maria also
Yes.
agrees, because it just feels light. Like you don't feel heavy after eating that food, right? So it was really nice. We really enjoyed it. Nico liked the rice. He didn't like the paprika potatoes, but I think it's just he's not used to paprika. But we're exposing him to more foods and stuff like that. So, but yeah, overall, it's really good. So if you're ever up in the Glenview area, definitely give that place a try. Like there's parking in the back. You can sit up front, you know, outside because you know now during summer it was nice and cool. And as always, thank you so much for wait. So we got mics, and let us know how the audio sounds now. How the audio sounds with for you guys, like with the cars passing by and all that stuff, with the ambient sound. Let us know. Was it good? Was it bad? Is it an improvement over the camera's mic? But as always, thank you so much for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.